I'm Mari. Today I'd like to show you my recipe of chicken and egg on the rice. Here are the ingredients. First, pour the water into the shiitake bowl. Let it sit until it gets soft. Takes about a minute. And cut this thin slice. This recipe is really easy peasy. Okay, let's make a stew. Put the pan on the stove at a middle fire. Pour the shiitake soup stock, soy sauce, and mint, and onion. This shiitake slice is really easy to use. Takes just a couple minutes to get soft. Mix really well. Pour on top of the stew. There we go. Perfect. Wow, beautiful. And if you like seaweed, put on top like this. Finito! I can smell this umami. Normally, Oyakodon doesn't put any shiitake, but I usually add shiitake because I love this umami and helps your healthy life. Hope you like it too.